Most people think you need a big investment to make real money. But what if I told you that just $500 could turn into $5,000 in only 12 weeks? No gimmicks, just smart, proven strategies. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Pick a high-return skill or side hustle. The first step is to invest your $500 in something that grows. Forget about low-yield investments. Instead, put it into a high-income skill or a profitable side hustle. Learn a high-demand skill like graphic design, video editing, or copywriting. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera offer courses for under $100. Or buy a product in bulk and flip it for profit on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Amazon. Your goal in week 1 is to pick a skill or business model that makes at least double your initial investment within the first 2 weeks. Step 2. Scale up smartly. By the end of week 2, you should have at least $1,000. Now, reinvest. If you're freelancing, use part of your earnings to get better tools, ads, or an assistant to speed up your work. If you're flipping products, buy more inventory or expand to new platforms. The key here is to avoid spending on unnecessary things. Every dollar should go back into growing your profits. Step 3. Automate and expand. By week 6, your income should be around $2,500. Now, you need to automate. If freelancing, hire a virtual assistant or use automation tools to handle repetitive tasks. If reselling, outsource shipping and customer service so you can focus on selling more. At this stage, you're working smarter, not harder. Step 4. Hit the $5,000 mark. By week 10, you should be close to $4,000. The final step? Scale aggressively. Increase your prices if you're freelancing. Expand to new marketplaces if you're selling products. Use paid ads to reach more customers. By week 12, if you've followed these steps, you'll have turned your $500 into $5,000. This isn't magic. It's just strategy and execution. The biggest mistake people make? Not starting. So, take action today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies.